Every night, your brain enters a state that no pill, no coffee, no therapy session can replicate. It's called deep slow wave sleep, and this is where your brain does its nightly reset. During deep sleep, your brain clears out toxins and stress chemicals, emotional memories are reorganized, neural circuits are repaired, energy systems are restored. Cognitive clarity is rebuilt. Think of your brain like a computer. Deep sleep is the restart that clears the RAM, fixes corrupted files, and boosts performance the next day. But here's the problem. Most people never reach true deep sleep. Their mind and body stay out of sync. Deep sleep is not just something your body falls into. It's a synchronized event between your brain, your nervous system, and your physical body. When your mind is racing, stressed, anxious, overstimulated, your brain stays stuck in high-frequency waves. Your body might want to rest, but your mind is still online. This disconnect is why you can lie in bed for hours without slipping into restorative sleep. To activate deep sleep, your mind and body must enter the same frequency state. Slower breathing, lower heart rate, reduced cortisol, calm, stable brainwaves. When these sync up, deep sleep becomes automatic. 1. Emotional reset. Amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear and stress, gets dialed down. This is why you handle emotions better after good sleep. 2. Memory consolidation. Your brain organizes what you learned during the day. Skills, ideas, conversations, decisions all get sorted into long-term storage. 3. Stress chemical removal. Toxins like beta amyloid, linked to anxiety and brain fog, are flushed out by the glymphatic system. 4. Nervous system balancing. Deep sleep strengthens the parasympathetic system, your body's natural calm setting. 5. Rebuild and repair. Hormones like growth hormone activate physical and mental restoration. This isn't ordinary rest. This is biological renewal. In today's world, mind-body synchronicity is almost impossible without intention. Here's why: overstimulation and scrolling, notifications, bright screens. Your brain never gets a chance to slow down. Mental overactivity, worry, planning, overthinking. These keep the brain in high-frequency waves that block deep sleep. Lifestyle disruption, late meals, late caffeine, irregular sleeping patterns all confuse your circadian rhythm. Physical tension, tight shoulders, shallow breathing, poor posture. These send signals that you're unsafe, making deep sleep difficult. Deep sleep doesn't just happen. It's a state your brain prepares for hours before you lay down. But here's the good news. You can train your mind and body to sync again. A simple 4-step routine to activate deep sleep tonight. Step 1. The breath reset. Evening. Your breath is the fastest way to shift your nervous system. Try this for 6. Breathing technique. Inhale for seconds, exhale 6 seconds. Continue for 2 minutes. This immediately lowers cortisol and slows the mind. Step 2. The body release before bed. Your body must feel physically safe before deep sleep activates. Do this. Loosen neck and shoulder tension, stretch your hips. Relax your jaw when your body lets go. Your brain follows. Step 3. The mind dump. 5 minutes. Write down tomorrow's tasks, today's unfinished thoughts, any worry or tension. This simple habit signals the brain you're free to shut down now. Step 4. The light drop. 1 hour before bed. Bright light blocks melatonin, the hormone that triggers deep sleep. Do this daily. Dim your room lights, reduce screen brightness. Switch devices to warm tones. This lets melatonin rise naturally, without supplements. When these 4 elements line up, mind-body synchronicity activates, and your brain enters deep restorative sleep effortlessly. Here's what happens when you achieve deep sleep consistently. Your mood stabilizes, less reactivity, more clarity. Your memory sharpens, you learn faster and retain more. Your stress tolerance skyrockets. Small things no longer overwhelm you. Your creativity increases. Your brain forms new connections overnight. You wake up with energy, mental fog disappears. Deep sleep is not just sleep. It's a neural reset button that restores you at the deepest biological level. Humans were designed to heal in their sleep. We just need to give the brain permission. Your mind and body speak to different languages. Until they sync. When they do, deep sleep becomes your natural state. Stress dissolves. Clarity returns. Your brain resets. And your entire day shifts. You don't need new supplements. You don't need complicated routines. You only need mind-body synchronicity, the state your biology has always been designed for. Tonight, try the 4-step protocol. Feel your body soften. Feel your mind release. And watch how your brain enters the deepest, most healing sleep of your life. Thanks for watching, and may your next sleep be your best sleep.